So no politics for Tommy. You're going to keep doing what you're doing.
I want to lead a cultural movement. This country...
I think you are.
If you shift the culture, you shift the politics, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, what we had combined together, we got myself, Katie Hopkins, Cole Benjamin, Lawrence Fox. We brought together lots of people, and we had lots of young TikTokers, lots of boxers, comedians, and we wanted to work on a 5-point plan that all of us can agree with. And we want to make it cool to be British, because they've made it embarrassing to be British. Yeah? We need it to be cool, and we need people to agree on these policies of protecting free speech, protecting British culture. That was our idea, and I think that's why they come for us so hard. Because what we managed to put together was enough people with enough media profiles that overnight we could click a button and release a video and we would reach the entire country. And they don't want that.
Okay.
They don't want unity, and on the 30th of September we're going to unite Britain like no one was ever seen. Yeah? And when I say unite Britain, that's people coming from Northern Ireland, they come from Wales, they're coming from Scotland, they're coming from Sikh background, black background, West Indian background, Britain. People who are British, who love Britain and have had enough.
Can I come as well?
You're welcome, mate. Come along. It's going to be a beautiful day, I'm telling you.
Okay,
it's going to be
September
historic.
13th.
It's going to be wonderful. I went earlier, I just met the police. Let me read you this. Here's the problem, yeah? This is just going to totally show you the problem. We're holding a free speech festival. This is our fourth that we've done. The last ones, there's been zero problems, no problems at all. And let me just get you this up, sorry, I know we're live. Here's what, so we wanted Trafalgar Square and we wanted Parliament Square. I must also draw to your attention that the GLA, the Greater London Authority, which is Sadiq Khan, is a public authority subject to public sector equality duty contained in section 1449 of the Equality Act 2010. This means that when considering applications for authorisation, the GLA is required to have regard to any potential impacts of its decision.
Investment Club. Today I consider it the best investment that I've ever made. We get 4 projects presented a week by their associated CEOs. Personally, I'm completely blown away by the quality of these projects, and I know of nowhere else where I would be given this same opportunity. Each week that passes, I feel more appreciative of the fact that I'm a member of this group. The vibe was just tremendous. Everybody's on the same wavelength. We just clicked. Everybody listened to each other, enjoyed their company. It was just magical, magical. Take action. Don't take my word for it. Due diligence you need to do. And I really hope that someday down the road I see you in the club. It far exceeded expectations, without question.
On people with protected characteristics within the meaning of the Act, including religion. So basically, your free speech festival might upset someone's feelings of their religion or their protected characteristic. Well, yeah, it's free speech. Yeah, that's the purpose of it. Yeah, that we're not going to let you. So they've refused us.
Okay.
Parliament Square. But the police, the difference is now the police are totally supportive, and the police are furious because Parliament Square, they said, would have been easier for the police.
Okay.
But what we've now done, which is a problem for us because we now need more screens and more sound systems. But I've walked the route today. This is going to be unbelievable. We've got a 46-metre screen going up towards Trafalgar Square but facing down towards Parliament Square. We're going to fill from Trafalgar Square to Parliament Square in the biggest sea of patriots. You know what people see when they see protests in London? They see Gaza flags or they see BLM. They see people who hate Britain marching against Britain. They see war memorials being desecrated. What you're going to see on September 13th is the biggest mobilisation of British patriots this country's ever seen together. And it's going to be taxpayers. And there's no subsidised coaches travelling or funding people and ferrying them in. It's organic. The signs are not being made by everyone else. They're going to be made by the people coming. It's going to be a celebration and a sea and a tidal wave of patriotism and nationalism that no one's going to stop. It's going to be, we've got a 46-metre screen, 70 metres later, we've got another 46-metre screen. 70 metres later, we've got another one. 70 metres later, we're going to have, it's going to look beautiful. It's going to be iconic. We've got Jordan Peterson. We've got a gospel band singing. We've got 4 different bands coming to sing. It's going to be entertaining. And it's going to be, you know, that sense of, I went to Poland in 2015 for their Independence Day. And I stood there, you can watch the video, and the hairs on the back of my neck stood up. There was 250,000. And they've got their kids on their shoulders. And I stood there and thought, we haven't got this. There's something missing. We couldn't do this. And I remember when I stood in Trafalgar Square, I felt it. I felt that togetherness. I felt the hairs on the back of my neck stood up, and I felt Britain's awake. We've got it. We're here. Patriotism's back. Pride's back. It's coming, and the best thing is, when I walked out of jail this year, two months ago, I sat there thinking about what should I say, and I wanted to send a message to Keir Starmer and his pathetic coward government that we're starting where we left off, and that's why I gave the date straight away, because I knew it'd get 6 million views, which it did. 13th of September, and has it worked? Everywhere I walk, people are talking about 13th of September.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.